Wait, castor oil and baking soda. What if I told you that two simple ingredients, ones you probably already have sitting under your sink or tucked away in the back of your medicine cabinet, could help ease chronic pain, soothe your joints, calm an overactive bladder, and maybe even support your prostate? Now, I know that might sound like something out of a late night TV ad, but stay with me, this isn't hype. It's not a miracle cure, and it's definitely not some expensive supplement being pushed by a slick salesman. In fact, your grandmother probably used one of them. Maybe you even remember the smell: thick, earthy castor oil rubbed into sore knees or placed over the stomach when someone wasn't feeling right, and the other, just plain baking soda, that humble white powder that's been fixing heartburn and cleaning wounds for over a century. But here's the twist: when you combine the two, something remarkable starts to happen inside the aging male body. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s find comfort, better sleep, less inflammation, and more control, not from more pills, but from tapping into the wisdom of nature. So if you're tired of chasing new medications and just want something gentle, real, something that works with your body, not against it, stick around, because what happens next might just surprise you. Why older men are turning to ancient remedies, you know. I'll never forget a man named Douglas, 68 years old. Big hands, a quiet voice. Retired ironworker from Chicago. He came into my office limping. Not from a fresh injury, but from years of wear, knees, back, even his sleep was broken. He looked at me and said, "Doc, I'm not looking for another prescription. I just want to feel like myself again." And that stuck with me, because I hear it all the time from men who have done everything right. They've taken their meds, tried the creams, swallowed the supplements, but still, they feel like their bodies are slipping away. So what do many of them do? They go back, not backward in life, but back to the roots. Old school remedies, gentle oils,
What if
earth
something as
minerals,
ordinary as
simple
baking soda,
applications
the
passed
same
down
white
from
powder you
fathers and
use to freshen your
grandfathers
fridge,
long before
could
everything
quietly
came in a
support your
plastic
strength,
bottle?
stamina,
And you know
and
what?
confidence in the
There's
bedroom?
something powerful in that. Not just physically, but emotionally, because it reminds us that healing isn't always high tech. Sometimes it's quiet, natural, familiar, and it turns out two of the most overlooked allies for the aging male body are already right at home in your cabinet. But before we get to the how, let's talk about the first one, the thick golden liquid with a strange name, a long history, and an even longer list of benefits. Here's the fully developed script for Section 3, The Secret Power of Castor Oil, written in a calm, emotionally grounding tone that blends science-backed insight with personal storytelling. The secret power of castor oil. Let's talk about castor oil. Now, if you're like most men I've worked with, the first time you hear that name, you might raise an eyebrow. Castor oil. You mean that thick stuff my mother used to make me swallow when I was sick as a kid? Yep, the very same, but here's what no one ever told you. Castor oil isn't just an old-fashioned laxative. It's actually one of nature's most powerful healing oils, especially for men in their 60s and beyond. It comes from the castor bean, but its true magic lies in a compound called ricinoleic acid, which is packed with anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the skin, castor oil penetrates deep. It doesn't just sit on the surface like most creams. It stimulates circulation, supports lymphatic flow, which is your body's natural drainage system, and eases stiffness in muscles and joints. One of my patients, Harold, 73, former police officer, started using castor oil packs on his lower back every night. He'd struggled with soreness and poor sleep for years. Within a week, he told me, "Doc, I woke up without that dull ache. First time in a long time." Now imagine if one simple oil can do that on the outside. What happens when you combine it with something that works from the inside out? Let's take a look at the second part of this duo, baking soda. Baking soda's shocking role in your body's balance. Let's shift something even more surprising. Baking soda. I know it sounds too simple, right? Just that old box in the fridge, the stuff you use to freshen your shoes or clean the sink. But here's what most men don't know. As we age, our body's internal environment changes. We tend to become more acidic, not in attitude, but in chemistry. That acidity can lead to more inflammation, stiffer joints, higher uric acid, more bathroom trips at night, and even weaker circulation. It's a quiet shift, but it chips away at your energy, your comfort, and sometimes even your confidence. Now here's the twist. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is a natural alkalizer. When used in the right way, it helps neutralize that creeping acidity. That means less joint pain, fewer flare-ups, and even reduced pressure on your bladder and prostate. I once worked with a man named Ray, 66, former Army mechanic. He'd been waking up 3, sometimes 4 times a night to urinate. We added a small topical baking soda protocol, just part of a nighttime routine, and within days, his sleep improved. No pills, no side effects, just the body returning to balance. But here's where it gets interesting. When you combine baking soda's balancing effect with castor oil's deep, penetrating relief, you don't just treat symptoms, you help restore the whole system. Let's break down exactly how that combo works and how to try it safely at home. Here is the fully developed script for Section 5. How the combo works. External application equals internal healing, offering clarity, hope, and step-by-step practical guidance in a calm, empowering tone. How the combo works. External application equals internal healing. So how do these two, castor oil and baking soda, actually work together? It's simpler than you think, and no, you don't have to swallow anything. This isn't about digestion. It's about absorption. Here's what you do. Take about 2 tablespoons of castor oil, thick, golden, and slightly warm if you like. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir until it forms a creamy, smooth paste. That's it. Now here's the key. You apply this blend topically to the areas where you feel discomfort. Your lower back, your knees, swollen ankles, or even your lower abdomen where your bladder and prostate rest. Once it's on, cover the area with a soft cloth or cotton pad. And if you want to go a step further, place a hot water bottle or heating pad over it for 20 to 30 minutes. Why the heat? Because it helps the castor oil penetrate deeper through the skin, into the tissues, and toward the lymphatic and circulatory systems underneath. You're not forcing your body to do anything. You're inviting it to heal, to clear inflammation, move stagnant fluid, and restore flow. Some men report feeling relief in as little as 2-3 days. For others, it's a slow, steady shift over a few weeks. But one thing's for sure, once you start this simple routine, you'll begin to feel your body coming back online in a way that feels familiar. Next, let me share a real story, one that proves just how powerful this can be. Here is the fully developed script for Section 6. True story. Paul's prostate pain was ruining his sleep, blending vulnerability, triumph, and personal storytelling in a relatable, emotionally supportive tone. True story. Paul's prostate pain was ruining his sleep. Let me tell you about Paul. He's 72, a retired school principal, polite, soft-spoken, the kind of man who never wanted to complain. But when he came into my office last year, his eyes told a different story. Dark circles, tired voice. He said, "Doc, I wake up 5 times a night to pee, every hour like clockwork. It's exhausting. And I'm starting to feel like I'm falling apart." His prostate was enlarged, not dangerously, but just enough to press against the bladder and interrupt everything. Sleep, intimacy, energy, all slipping. He didn't want another medication. The ones he tried made him dizzy, weak, and frankly embarrassed, so I offered him something gentler. "Let's try a nightly routine," I said. "Castor oil mixed with a little baking soda, right over the lower belly, no pills. Just 30 minutes with a warm pack." He was skeptical but open. A week later he came back, and he smiled. "Doc," he said, "I slept 6 hours straight last night. First time in years, and I woke up feeling like me." Now, was it magic? No, it was consistency, and the body, when given the right tools, remembers how to heal. Paul isn't the only one. Let's take a moment now to understand why this works. Not just in stories, but in real biology. Here is the fully developed script for Section 7. Science behind it, why this actually works, offering calm, trustworthy explanations without overwhelming detail. Perfect for an aging male audience seeking clarity and reassurance. Science behind it, why this actually works now. Let's talk about why this combination actually works, not just in stories, but in your body. Castor oil contains something called ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that's been studied for its powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. But here's the real magic. Castor oil doesn't just sit on top of the skin. It penetrates deep-reaching tissues, the lymphatic vessels, and even supporting circulation around stiff joints and swollen organs. Think of it as a natural mover. It helps the body drain waste, improve blood flow, and reduce localized swelling. Now add baking soda, a natural alkalizer. As we age, many of us become slightly too acidic inside. That subtle shift can create irritation in the bladder, prostate, joints, and even muscles. Baking soda helps gently rebalance this, reducing inflammation from the inside out. Together, this combo does two things: reduces pressure from swelling and acidity, while stimulating healing and flow where things have slowed down. And the best part, it works with your body's natural systems instead of forcing it or masking symptoms. You don't need to understand every molecule. Just know this: your body still knows how to heal. Sometimes it just needs the right nudge from the right source. But before you jump in, there are a few safety tips I want you to know. Warnings, dosage, and when not to use it before you start using this blend. I want to take a moment not to scare you, but to respect your body. Even natural remedies deserve care and caution. First, always do a small patch test. Take a bit of the castor oil and baking soda mix and apply it to a small spot, maybe the inside of your arm. Wait 12 to 24 hours. If there's no redness, itching, or discomfort, you're likely good to go. Second, never apply this mixture on open wounds, broken skin, or rashes. Castor oil is powerful, and baking soda can be mildly abrasive. The skin should be clean and intact. Third, if you're on certain medications for blood pressure, kidney function, or your doctor has told you to avoid sodium, talk to them first. Especially if you're thinking of using baking soda internally, which we're not doing here. And one more thing, consistency is better than intensity. Don't overdo it. Start with 3-4 applications a week, no more than 30 minutes at a time. This isn't a race. It's a relationship between your body and what it remembers. And once you feel even a bit of relief, you'll realize maybe healing doesn't have to be complicated. Now let's bring it home with a message every man over 60 deserves to hear. Here is the final section, a powerful, healing close for Section 9. Gentle power for a man's aging body, crafted with warmth, dignity, and emotional resonance. Closing message: gentle power for a man's aging body. If you've made it this far, I want to say something honest, and maybe something you haven't heard in a while. Your body is not broken. It may be slower, stiffer, more sensitive than it once was, but beneath the aches, the sleepless nights, the bathroom trips, the frustration is a body that still remembers how to heal, a body that's asking to be supported, not silenced. And sometimes that support doesn't come in the form of a new drug or complicated treatment. Sometimes it comes from two simple things: a golden oil pressed from an ancient seed and a pinch of powder pulled from the earth. This castor oil and baking soda routine, it's not a miracle, it's a reminder that healing doesn't have to be loud or expensive or invasive. It can be as quiet as warm oil on your belly, as gentle as a cloth resting over your joints, as peaceful as waking up and realizing you slept through the night. So here's my challenge to you: try it for 7 days, make it part of your evening ritual, and listen not to the noise outside but to what your body tells you, because when you return to nature, sometimes nature returns the favor.